Hemia day well on him. All good for a blessing from God. It been fall down long old man. Hemia day well on him. All strong love from God. It been going so long. There is something wrong.
This is the day in which God's most excellent favors have been poured out upon me. The day in which His most mighty grace has been infused into created being. This is the day in which God's most excellent favors have been poured out upon me. The day in which His most mighty grace have been infused into created being. It is incumbent upon all the peoples of the world to reconcile the differences, and with perfect unity and peace abide beneath the shadow of a tree of His care and loving kindness. It is incumbent upon all the peoples of the world to reconcile the differences, and with perfect unity and peace abide beneath the shadow of a tree of His care and loving kindness. Wanda yote pongare nakakapaya, te sua ay katamerwa, akaparwak na kuya ometa. Te pongare anaroiroi emoan, te kora e aponsia ni kano aki ai, kariki pai ni kapene. Ona yo te pongare anakakapaya, te asua ai katameroa, akaparwak na kuya ometa. Te pongare anaroiroi emoan, te kora e aponsia ni kano aki ai, kariki pai ni kapene.